Dear students, today we will study the last part of our story. Take your book, page number 11. We completed the first three paragraphs. Today we will start with the fourth paragraph of our story. Then, in despair, she approached the king, told him the whole story, and begged him to save her. The king sent for a boy called Ramanna. Ramanna was very intelligent and often helped the king in giving his judgment. In despair, disappointed, despair means disappointed, there is no scope, there is no hope, unhappy. The disappointed or unhappy old woman, she approached the king to say the complaint against the chief of the thieves. In despair, she approached the king, told him the whole story. Whole means a whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole story, all the incidents happened the last time, and begged him to save her. And she wanted in front of the king to save her, and begged him to save her. The king sent for a boy. The king wanted to call one boy. His name is Ramanna. Ramanna, he was very intelligent boy. Intelligent means wisdom, ability to take sensible decisions, sensible judgment. The king called Ramanna. He was an intelligent boy in that country. The king sent for the boy called Ramanna. Ramanna was very intelligent and often helped the king in giving his judgment. Most of the times, the intelligent boy Ramanna, he helped the king to take the judgment, to take the wise decisions. Okay. Next, the old man narrated the whole story to the boy. The old woman narrated, explained all the story to the Ramanna. Ramanna asked the king to send for the chief of the thieves. When he came, Ramanna informed him that he was going to try the case. He then fixed a day for the trial. The Ramanna asked the king to call the thieves. Total how many thieves? Total 3 thieves. The one youngest thief, he left the place with the pot of gold. The balance 2 thieves. The one is the chief of the thieves, monitor or leader of the thieves. The Ramanna called the chief of the thieves. Then he came. The chief came in the court of the palace. The Ramanna fixed a date, the next another day. After 1 or 2 days, and he fixed a date to settle their dispute or settle the case, trial means that case. And then he fixed a day for the trial. On that day, at that king of the trial, everyone waited eagerly to see how the boy would decide the case. Well, every people, the king also, they are eagerly waiting for that particular day, and they have an excitement also how this small boy, intelligent boy, will solve this problem. One day at the trial, everyone waited eagerly, anxiously to see how the boy would solve, how the boy would decide the case. When Ramanna came into the courtroom, he found that it was packed with the people. On that day, that fixed day, Ramanna came in the courtroom of the palace, king palace. At that time, there was a number of people, lot of people are packed with the people means the room full of people. A lot of people came from different parts of the country to hear the trial of the case. The thieves were asked to tell their story first. They accused the old man carelessness. The Ramana wanted the thieves to explain about all things. The chief of the thieves, he explained all the things, what happened. And he accused the old woman about her carelessness. There is no care. The chief of the thieves, they accused the old woman. She did not take care of a pot of gold. I am sorry, said the old woman with tears in her eyes. The old woman was crying. And she told, I am sorry, I am really sorry. Please forgive me. I am a poor man. I am not able to give the money for your gold because I am a poor woman. I am a poor woman, so I am really sorry. Forgive me, forgive me. She was crying. The Ramana turned the thieves and said, did you tell this woman to give back the pot only to all three of together? The chief said, yes, we did. We told her not to give it otherwise. The Ramana turned to the thieves. The Ramana asked the thieves, said, did you tell this woman to give back the pot only to all three of together? The Ramana asked the question, so did you tell it? What was the condition? We will ask it together for the pot. The three thieves said, we will ask it together for the pot. At that time, you should return back our pot of gold. That was a condition. Or did you tell this woman to give back the pot only to all three of together? The chief said, yes, we did. We already told it. We told her not to give it otherwise. Otherwise, we told to her, don't give the pot to anyone. If we ask it together, please return back our pot of gold. That was a condition we already said. In that case, said Ramana said, bring your other friend and all three of you ask for the pot together. Then the old man will give it back to you. The Ramana said, where is your friend? Actually, they do not know. And bring him to call him and ask the pot together. Then the old woman will give your pot of gold. Bring your other friend and all three of you ask for the pot together. You can ask together for the pot of gold. Then the old woman will give it back to you. So please call your friend. The two thieves did not know what to do because they do not know where is their friend. The youngest one, a clever thief of the group, he already left it. He already vacated that place with the pot of gold. The other two thieves, they do not know where was his friend. The two thieves did not know what to do. They did not know where to find the other chief. They have no idea about their friends, where they will search. So they gave up the case. They avoided the case. They stopped the case. The woman was very happy. Lastly, the old woman, she was very happy because very intellectually, the young, smart, small boy Ramana, he settled, he solved the problem. The woman was very happy. The people in the courtroom went away praising the wisdom of Ramana. All the people, they already presented to hear the case in that court. They praised the Ramana for his intelligence and wisdom. This is the story. This story is a very simple story. Here is a PDF note, number of works for you, home assignment. And I already given the word meaning, then opposite, synonyms, making adverbs, then fillings blanks from your textbooks. In your home assignment, some another works also, you should do all the works in your fair copy. Then if you want to do your homework, you should read the story one or two times. Understand the story and find out the words. Reading is necessary and compulsory. Otherwise, you will be unable to do the homework, home assignment. If you want to complete your home assignment, you should read the story 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 times. Then you can find out the answer. Because of all the questions based upon the story. So everybody read and enjoy the story with the video. You will send the PDF also. Then write all the words in your copy. Okay. In another day, we will meet again with another lesson number 4. So thanks to all. Best wishes to all.